Hello, my name is Sabeena and this is my message for World Cancer Day 2021. This year I've decided to write a blog about my beloved mother, Mrs Meshar Mumtaz Bano, who was diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer March 2012. My beautiful mother courageously struggled with chemotherapy and radiotherapy for 4 years before returning to the Almighty April 2016. My siblings and I miss her every single day, and I thought it would be appropriate to share the wonderful memories that I have with my Amee when we visited Lahore, Pakistan, particularly when we visited Javed Manzil, Allama Iqbal's house. Allama Iqbal is the national poet of Pakistan. Shalimar Gardens and Badshahi Mosque. I've posted lots of photographs of Mum enjoying her visit to all these different tourist attractions in Lahore, and I hope you'll enjoy reading the blog. On a personal note, I would really like to encourage the Southeast Asian community to talk openly about cancer, palliative care, genetics, and grief, loss, and bereavement. It's so important for those of us who can, to share our feelings. For me, writing has been a form of therapy, and I wanted to just share this blog with you, this video, and also my thoughts about cancer, how it needs to be talked about in the Southeast Asian community and not brushed under the carpet. And I'd love for people to take up their mammogram appointments. Self-examination is the key to detection of breast cancer. And also, if you have a history of breast cancer in your family, then I would seriously talk with your GP virtually and try, once the pandemic's over, to get genetic testing. I received genetic testing and I'm not a carrier of breast cancer. The markers are BRCA1 and BRCA2, but there are many other markers. What I've realised in the Asian community is many people fail to attend their appointments. They're just scared to talk about cancer. But I feel it's very important to share Mum's story. Mum was very brave, she was very independent, and she loved life. And her diagnosis came as a huge shock for all of us. Her passing was also incredibly painful for not just me, but my siblings. We miss her every day. We miss my dad every day. But yes, grief and bereavement are the two issues that I feel are not talked about enough, and you're just told to get on with your life after your parents pass away. And I just hope that this World Cancer Day, that people will find the courage to talk openly about these issues and get the help that they need. I'd like to end by saying this World Cancer Day 2021, please support a cancer organisation where you live, a hospital, support a cancer patient. If there is somebody in your community who is receiving chemotherapy or radiotherapy, they'd love to hear from you. Cancer patients usually are very proud people. They don't want to be a nuisance, but sometimes it's very difficult for them to do normal things like just cook for themselves and clean, just making them their favourite dish, taking them out to the garden centre, making them their favourite favourite food. It can really help them through their treatments. So I would implore and encourage everyone to support a cancer research organisation or cancer organisation this year. Thank you so much for watching. I know I've waffled on a lot. I just feel it's very important for me to talk about these issues that are very, very close to my heart. And I'd like to wish all cancer patients currently receiving therapy all the very best. And to those of us who have lost a loved one to cancer, I'm praying for you, thinking of you. It's difficult, I know. I'm trying to remember my mum through photographs, writing about her and remembering her as a healthy, active, happy, strong, healthy lady. And yeah, I'd just like to end by saying thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video next year. And take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Stay healthy. Peace and blessings. Wa alaikum assalam.